Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you driving scarves ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos of friends. So friends, first I use dry beans wall art design. Let's make wall art using dry beans. Take a cardboard piece, draw simple patterns like a tree or heart. Now apply glue on the drawing. Start placing different dry beans to fill the design. Use different shapes and colored beans. Let it dry carefully. Get beautiful nature wall art instantly. Rice style crafts. Today we are making rice decoration. Windows styles decoration using tiles. Take a plate or tray, draw a simple design, fill it with white rice, colored rice if available, and dry beans for border design. It looks bright and traditional, perfect for festival. And some decoration. And weavers, next idea is candle in decor. Take a small plate or tray, place a candle in the center. Now apply glue around the candle base. Carefully stick dry rice around it in a circle. You can also add dry beans for extra design. Let it dry completely. Now your simple and natural candle decoration is ready. It's look quite peaceful and beautiful. So friends, I hope you like my video. So